Inspiration is what an artist seeks. It is all around. Inspiration is everywhere. It is everything. It is in everyone. It may strike you, yet it may not, and you must seek it, and at times it remains elusive. Perhaps the greatest artists are the ones who are the best at finding it, and still it may be lost even to them, but eventually found. We can turn to each other for inspiration, for we are all artists in our own way. Humankind creates. And whilst seemingly mundane, a cheese board is a form of art. In many ways, a special kind of art. Its beauty can only be appreciated for mere moments before it is picked away, consumed, and lost forever. In its physical form, lost, yes, yet part of it continues. It was a catalyst for something greater. It was a piece of a moment, and like cheese boards, moments are fleeting. Each moment becomes past and becomes lost. We can retain pieces of it in our memory, but eventually those too will be lost. Regardless, we must create moments and memories and hang on to them for as long as we can, for it is all that we have, all that we are. Art is an expression of that, so we create it. Humankind creates. When you next make that stunning cheese board, remember that those pieces that form it are art. The cheese is handcrafted, made with techniques and passion that goes back hundreds of, even thousands of years. The charcuterie just the same. The board it lays upon was dug from the earth, carved from a tree, or just made in a factory. Either way, it is art. In a sense, everything we have created is art, and together we have created so much. Look at the world around you and may find inspiration in it. And use it to help create moments and memories. Even the most mundane object can be the catalyst for that. I kept that in mind as I made every one of these cheese boards. Not a single one did I get to partake in the moment that it was part of. All of that was lost to me. And I can only hope that they brought joy to the people that devoured them, that these simple cheese boards helped to forge memories that will outlast them. I will never know. Perhaps you may find some inspiration in them, perhaps not. Either way, I hope that you find your inspiration, or that it finds you, both in life and in cheese board making. If you want to see how I make fancy cheese boards like these, there'll be a link in the description. Be well, and be fancy.